Ever wondered how to clean your toilet in just 1 minute? Intriguing, isn't it? Today, we're diving into the world of quick toilet cleaning, a task that can often seem overwhelming but can actually be done in a snap. Having a clean toilet not only contributes to a healthier home environment, but also adds a touch of freshness to your bathroom. So why not learn a trick that saves time and still leaves your toilet sparkling clean? Stay tuned as we reveal the secret to this 1-minute cleaning hack. First things first, gather your cleaning supplies. You don't need much. For starters, you'll need a trusty toilet bowl cleaner. This is the superhero of our cleaning process, as it's designed to tackle those stubborn stains and germs. Next up, we have the scrub brush. It's the sidekick our superhero can't do without. Perfect for getting into those hard-to-reach areas under the rim. Don't forget about disinfectant wipes. These versatile wipes are not just for the toilet seat, they're also great for wiping down the handle and the outside of the toilet bowl. And lastly, grab a timer. Yes, you heard it right, a timer. We're on a mission to clean your toilet in 1 minute, remember? So there you have it. A toilet bowl cleaner, a scrub brush, disinfectant wipes, and a timer. With these basic items, you are all set to start the cleaning process. Now, let's dive into the cleaning process. It's simpler than you think. Step 1 is all about applying the toilet bowl cleaner. This is the secret weapon in your cleaning arsenal. But how do we use it? Easy. You want to focus on the inside of the bowl. Lift the lid and squirt a generous amount of the cleaner around the rim so it can work its way down, covering all surfaces inside the bowl. The cleaner needs to be in contact with the surface to do its job, so don't be shy with it. You're aiming for full coverage here, so make sure you don't miss any spots. While the cleaner is doing its work, we move on to step 2, and this is where we turn our attention to the exterior of the toilet. This part is often overlooked, but it's just as important. Grab your disinfectant wipes and start wiping down the exterior from top to bottom. Make sure to cover all the areas, including the lid, the seat, the base, and don't forget the handle. It's surprising how many germs can gather on these areas, especially the handle, as it's the part we touch every time we use the toilet. Ready for the final steps? Let's get to it. We're now going to dive into the last 2 steps of our quick toilet cleaning process. So far, we've gathered our supplies, applied our cleaner, and given it a moment to do its magic. Now it's all about the elbow grease and the grand finale. Step 3, scrubbing the inside of the bowl. This is where our trusty toilet brush comes into play. Start at the top of the bowl and work your way down. Be sure to pay special attention to the water line. This is often where stubborn stains like to hide. Don't be afraid to give it a good scrub. That's why we're here after all. Remember, we're not just doing a quick sweep, we're doing a deep, thorough clean, the kind that gets rid of bacteria and leaves your toilet sparkling. So take your time and make sure you're reaching into all those hidden nooks and crannies. Once you've scrubbed every inch of the bowl, it's time for step 4, the flush. This is the part where you get to see all your hard work pay off. By flushing the toilet, you're rinsing off the cleaner and any loosened grime. Go ahead and give that handle a good push. As the water swirls around the bowl, it'll carry away the cleaner and the grime, leaving nothing but a clean, fresh toilet behind. It's a satisfying sight, isn't it? Now you might be thinking, that's it? Just 4 steps? Well, yes, actually, it really is that simple. With the right tools and the right technique, you can have a clean toilet in no time at all. And there you have it. A clean toilet in just 1 minute. Now, wasn't that a breeze? Cleaning doesn't have to be a dreaded chore. With these quick and easy steps, you can maintain a sparkling clean toilet with minimal effort. So the next time your toilet needs a spruce up, remember these steps. A clean home is a happy home after all. And there you have it, a clean toilet in just 1 minute. So how does our 1-minute toilet cleaning hack work for you? This simple yet highly effective method we've just shared has the potential to revolutionize your cleaning routine. In just 60 seconds, you can turn your toilet from grimy to gleaming, proving that you don't need to spend an eternity scrubbing to achieve a sparkling clean toilet. Let's quickly recap the steps. First, gather your supplies. You'll need a toilet brush, a pair of gloves, a sponge, and your choice of cleaning solution. Next, apply the cleaning solution inside the toilet bowl, making sure to cover all areas. Now, the magic begins. Start scrubbing with your toilet brush, focusing on areas where dirt and grime build up. Then, wipe the rest of the toilet down with a sponge. Voila, a pristine toilet in just 1 minute. This method is not just quick, but also quite practical. It allows you to maintain a clean toilet without disrupting your daily routine. Just imagine, in the time it takes to make a cup of coffee, you could have a sparkling clean toilet. So why not give it a try? Incorporate this method into your weekly cleaning routine and experience the convenience and efficiency for yourself. You'll be pleasantly surprised by how much time you can save. Remember, a clean toilet is a happy toilet, so keep it sparkling clean with our 1-minute cleaning hack.